Hey everyone, today I will show you how to transfer SUI to Wave Wallet. So, before we jump into the transfer process, let me clear up something important. I've seen a lot of people refer to something called Wave Wallet when talking about SUI transaction. But here's the truth. There is no official wallet named Wave Wallet for SUI blockchain. This is often a misunderstanding or miscommunication. What they usually mean is wallet that supports SUI tokens like the SUI wallet, Slush wallet, OKS wallet, or Martian wallet. So now that we have cleared that up, let's get into how to actually transfer SUI tokens. In this example, I'll be sending SUI from my OKX to Slush SUI wallet, which is fully compatible with SUI. So let's begin. Firstly, let's log into OKX, from where we will send SUI to Slush. Now, here in the dashboard, you can see the send option. Click on it and it will provide you the option to write receiving address and amount. But in my case, I actually do not have any tokens so that it won't allow me to use it. But if you have, click on it and it will provide you with the option to write receiving address and amount. Now, let's go to SUI wallet. Here, click on the receive button and it will provide you with QR and wallet address. And please copy the address and paste it to the OKX extension send option and write your desired amount. After that, click on confirm. A pop-up will appear to approve the connection. Click confirm to approve the connection. This is how you can easily transfer SUI to Wave Wallet. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.